Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is new exhaust day. Sold Out Motorcycles are sending the short shots exhaust for the Interceptor 650. It should be here in about an hour. So I'm just going to go and take the stock exhaust off and yeah, hopefully the exhaust arrives and we get it on and give it a go. Very exciting day. Got both exhausts off. It really does expose so much of the bike when they're off. They're so huge. You don't really realise how big they are until they're off. I can get to so many bits now to clean. Yeah, new exhaust should be here in about half hour. If you got a bit triggered by the old shed spray job I did on my tank, I'd recommend turning off now because you're definitely going to get triggered by this exhaust system. If you didn't, keep watching and we'll have some fun. Sold Out Motorcycles short shot exhaust system has been delivered. The huge stock Interceptor 650 pipes are off. They are ridiculously heavy. I've heard about them being heavy, but literally I can hardly pick them up. It's ridiculous. Just unboxed the Sold Out Motorcycles exhaust, and obviously the weight difference is night and day. Ridiculously light, but beautiful quality. Does have a silencer inside, so I'm hoping it's not going to be overly loud, but I do know these are known to be loud. However, I'm hoping the silencer baffle works a little bit at least. So nice. So let's go get these on. Hopefully we don't have any issues. It looks like a pretty simple setup. So we'll get these on and then take it for a spin. Let's go. short shot exhaust system is now on. I think this is going to be ridiculously loud. Probably too loud for me, but it looks fantastic. And this is a bar hopper, cafe hopper bike. This isn't a bike for going on touring or anything like that, so a little bit loud is alright for me, just for going around town. Yeah, haven't started her up yet, so the plan is I'll get kitted up a little bit and then roll her down the street away from the neighbours and go for a spin, but shall we go see what they sound like? Let's go. Alright, if I get onto the road and then we'll start her up. Are we ready? Oh, that's not as bad as I thought. Oh, that's quite good. Them DB killer silencers do a fantastic job. Oh, I'm pleasantly surprised with that. Let the ECU work itself out quickly. Don't know whether that's a myth or what, but people say to leave it running and idling for a little bit if you've done any mods, just so it can sort itself out and retune itself. But anyway. Oh wow. Oh yeah. That is awesome. That's so good. I thought it was going to be like ear bleeding loud, but it sounds like an old Triumph. That's fantastic. I'm buzzing. Alright, stuck behind a learner. I also need to do my jacket up. Oh, I'm not sure how this is going to come across on camera, but it sounds fucking great. I'm so happy with this. I think the videos I saw of this exhaust was before they put the silencers in, and so it sounded ridiculously loud, but with these in, it's so manageable. Let's pull up and show you. So good. I'm so pleased. Gosh, she looks so good. Turn her off quickly. We're at a church. I don't want to be disrespectful. I'm just going to get some cinematics. You know the drill. Go for a proper little blast on the custom Interceptor 650. get over how good she sounds. I was not expecting this. I was expecting it to look better than it sounds, but it literally sounds as fantastic as it looks. Oh man, I'm so over the moon with this. Sick. And on idle it's perfectly acceptable. I'm not going to wake my neighbours up. And then when you give it some, she growls. I really hope this comes across well on camera, because in real life it's sick. Now in the past I've had really noisy exhausts that do not sound good. On my Continental GT I added these cheap like universal mufflers for a couple of days just for a bit of fun, and it sounded awful because it was far too loud. But this sounds so good. And it saves so much weight, adds a few brake horsepower, and sounds so much better. Literally, what more could you ask for? I think the only thing left to do on this bike is some blacked out rear shocks, but they're just so expensive. The YSS do some shocks for this, blacked out, and they would look so sick with the rest of the blacked out components, but they are like £500 and I can't justify it just yet. I know there's an English brand called Hagen shocks. I think they're quite good. I think they're slightly cheaper as well, but I don't think they look as cool. But if I'm going down that British custom style route, I might go for the Hagen shocks, because they're like proper heritage old school shocks that a lot of the old Triumph Classics and Royal Enfield Classics have on. I'm really pleased, guys. I know I keep saying it, but I definitely had some doubts about the exhaust. Yeah, I definitely thought, oh, it looks really good, but it might be slightly too loud. No, perfect. Super pleased. Alright, I'm going to loop back round this roundabout and go home, and probably end the video there. I'll probably do a short one today, and then the next video I do will be DJR, I think, which is coming up next Sunday. This weekend I'm quite busy with family stuff, so I'm not going to get a video out this weekend. So yeah, next video you see will be me and Austin at the DJR. Hopefully we catch up with the legendary Freddie Dobbs. I think Darcy and Old Man is going to be there on their new Royal Enfields, and plenty of other cool bikes and people
So as usual guys, if you've got this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you want to support me even more, you can always put a little order in on fulltankbadideas.com. Grab yourself a t-shirt, a hoodie, a hat. That always helps. Who knows, if enough of you do it, I might be able to afford them rear shocks. No, I'm joking. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate everyone who commented on my last video on the build of the Royal Enfield. I had some really great comments. Also had a lot of negative comments on that one, which is unfortunate, but hey, you can't expect to post something on the internet without getting any haters and triggered people, so yeah, there's that. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe and yeah, have a great one. Peace. Oh, got a couple of back pops there. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up, but on overrun, get these lovely little burbly pops. Oh baby, oh baby, that's what I'm talking about.